Hey YouTube, so today we are at Lover's Key State Park, and that is a Florida state park. It is located in Fort Myers, Florida, and so we will do a campground review in Fort Myers, obviously also because that's where we are camping at while we're here. And so this is a humongous walking path basically, so you're going to get to see the Corgi and us walking around checking out the state park. If you're not into that and you want to see Jeep stuff, then just, I guess, wait for the next Jeep video to pop out. Or camping video, but this is something that we're doing while we're camping. And our channel is mostly on camping content and vlogging and where we go, what we do, taking the Jeep out, and other odd things about our life. So this is a route that we're going to take, and as you can see, it is a key, and essentially they have all these little shortcuts and different links. So this is the Black Island Trail that we're on, and you can see on the map obviously like what we're going to do. And like I said, this video is going to be primarily on the state park, so if you're interested in the state park and you're interested in seeing Grace, then maybe you'll like this video. And it is right around Christmas when we're out here, so obviously we're posting this video a ways after we were here, and she has her Christmas outfit on. So they have these overlooks that look into the water, and you can get a canoe thing. I think it's a canoe, and a paddle. Yeah, there's one right there actually, far away. And you can canoe through all this stuff. I think they have alligators down here in the area. So alligators, crocodiles, alligators, I think. So anyway, you have to be careful with that. But other than that, it's like a cool state park. We did see a lot of people that were walking around out here, and yeah, I know COVID's going on. We don't have masks on, or whatever. But we're in the state park, and we're like kind of far away from everybody. And we had masks with us that we could throw on if we did encounter anybody. They have these little signs up everywhere, and the signs essentially tell you what all these different plants are, and I have no idea what they all are, but they do have the kind of cool looking trees and plants and forestry stuff. So everybody asked about the Corgi and the short legs, and believe it or not, I think she has more energy than we have, and I think she's actually faster than us. She just is kind of like endless amounts of energy. And our Corgi specifically, Grace, she'll let us put anything that we want on her. She'll wear a tutu or a dress or a t-shirt or like whatever, she doesn't care. So that's always cool. It was nice that they have quite a few little stop spots that you can stop if you need to take a break or you just want to hang out. So like I said, we didn't see that many people while we were out here, but we did see small little groupings like us that we were out in, while we were out here. And I think this was maybe the day after Christmas that we were out here, like at the state park. And yeah, like it is fantastic to be in like 70-degree weather in the middle of winter. I think this was actually a cold stretch for them. Maybe it was like 65, but still, like it is so awesome because there was like snow and ice and everything at home where we live in Virginia. Like I was saying, I don't know what all this stuff is, all these like plants and stuff, but it was kind of cool. Now they do have like I was showing on the map, all these kind of set paths that you can walk on, but they also have shortcuts that like interconnect them. So the way the shortcuts work is essentially, if you don't want to like walk the whole loop, you can just walk up to the first shortcut and then shortcut it back to turn right back to the entrance. And they have that in multiple places, so they have like different lengths that you can go. So I know we do have some YouTubers that watch our videos too, obviously, and you'll probably notice a little difference on the videos themselves. So this is the first video where we are cutting over to a different video editing software, and I'm sure it'll get better as we learn more about this software. So we are moving off using iMovie, and we are moving to LumaFusion. It is actually an iPad editing software, but it has way more features than iMovie on the Mac, believe it or not. So anyway, back to the video. So the walking path, most of it is along the water, which is really nice, and not all of it. And it is extremely pet friendly. I don't remember looking at the signs about pets, and but obviously probably you have to keep them leashed, pick up after them, and stuff like that. The camera and everything that we're shooting on for most of this video is a GoPro Hero 9. And the Hero 9 has like some really nice image stabilization. Because you can see I'm like walking, holding the camera in my hand, and it's not too terribly jerky. Like even this shot there, that pan around, that's with no tripod or anything, and the horizon is all perfectly level and stuff, so it's really kind of makes things a lot easier having a camera with onboard stabilization. So these are the signs that I was talking about. I didn't feature that many of them, but they were all over the place. This is Wild Coffee, and I didn't know, like I like coffee, but I didn't know that's what a coffee plant looks like. So I thought that was kind of neat. And I'm assuming they have on them the coffee beans. You know, like I guess they would dry them, and then like that's what you grind up to make coffee. And then they do talk about the American alligators out here. So sometimes Grace pulls. You saw that like right there where she was pulling. Like for whatever reason, she wants to get on that side of the trail. I'm not really sure. But like most dogs, she can be a little bit stubborn sometimes. I did think this was kind of funny. The Virginia possum. So I'm from Virginia, and like I didn't know that the possum was like what we're known for. So yeah, like the Virginia possum. So all the people from Virginia, that's like what we're known for. Like, and when I lived in California, it's a California condor. That's kind of cool, like condors. But Virginia, like the possum, like really? So like I was saying, we are doing this whole walk in December. It is like the day after Christmas. So you can see here there's a path crossing. So this is like the shortcut that I was talking about. And they give you very clear directions, you know, like go left if you want to be shorter, and go right if you want to be faster. And this is the way the restrooms. And you notice that they have signs and stuff that tell you like what's allowed and what's not. There was other spots, if I'm right, that actually showed on there the mileage of how far places were. So the next video that we post will be a campground review after this one, and it'll be the continuation of our trip in Florida. And what's nice is most likely the Florida videos will come pretty close to the beginning of the next season of camping. So that's really nice. This was a sign that we showed off like when we first got there, so we're actually getting close to the entrance. This is a butterfly garden that they had. I didn't really see that many butterflies, but it is the middle of winter. I'm sure there's probably a specific time frame that there's lots of butterflies.
Yeah.
So we're going to do a little driving tour now of the state park, so you can see what else there is besides that gigantic like walking path. So here's a parking lot. It's like if anybody is interested in seeing the parking lots. And that is like a overlook station. We did not go up there because, you know, the COVID and everything. We were just kind of staying away from everybody, looking for things that we could do. That's where you get the canoes at, and you park in this gigantic parking lot. You go over there, and they have canoes, and then you can get a canoe for a small amount of money, I believe, and then you can canoe around. There was a fee to get into this park from Brett that we paid. It was very nominal. I don't remember how much it was. So this is the parking lot to get down to the water. There's a tram to get you there. So I ended up not shooting any footage for down there, but this is how you get down there. So anyway, hopefully this video helps you out with planning out your trip to Lovers Key State Park. And please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys around in the next video.